Good morning, children. Today we will study about leadership. Leadership. It may be defined as the process of influencing the behavior of the people by making them strive voluntarily towards the achievement of goal. So leadership is the process of influencing the behavior of the people. So leadership influences the behavior of the people by making them strive voluntarily, so that they can voluntarily, means with their own interest, they can achieve the goal. So by making them strive voluntarily towards the achievement of the goals. So influencing the people so that voluntarily they come and achieve the goals of the organization. What are the features of leadership? There are basically 5 features of leadership. Number 1, it is ability of an individual to influence the people. So first feature is ability of an individual to influence the people. Then second, it tries to bring change in the behavior of the others. So leadership tries to bring the change in the behavior of the others. Then it is exercised to achieve common goals of the organization. So this is leadership is exercised to achieve common goals of the organization. Then leadership explains the interpersonal relationship between the leaders and the followers. So leadership explains the interpersonal relationship between the leaders and the followers, and leadership is a continuous process. Now, what are the qualities required to be a very good leader? The first quality to be a very good leader, is basically physical qualities. There are basically 9 qualities, but the first is physical qualities. A good leader must possess a good height. A good leader must possess a good height, a good weight, a good health, and also a good appearance. Health and endurance help the leader to work hard and inspire others to do so. So if the leader is healthy, he works more and more hard, and once he works more and more hard, the others also work very, very hard. Then knowledge. A good leader should have required knowledge and competence so that he can influence others. A good leader should have the required knowledge and also the competence. Why? So that he can influence the others. Integrity. Third is the integrity. A good leader should possess high level of integrity and honesty. He should possess a high level of integrity, and he should also possess a high level of honesty, so that he can become a role model for the others. The fourth one is initiative. A leader should have courage and initiative to do things. A leader should have initiative and courage to do the things on his own rather than waiting for the others to do so. So he should have an initiative to do himself, the courage to do himself rather than waiting for the others to do. The fifth quality of a good leader is communication skill. A leader should be a good communicator. He should be able to clearly explain his views to others. A good leader should be able to clearly explain the views to the others. He should not only be a good speaker, but a good listener, teacher, and a counselor. A leader should be a good listener, a good teacher, and also a counselor, and also he should also be a very good speaker. The sixth quality of a good leadership is motivation. A good leader should understand the needs of his employee and motivate them to satisfy their need. A good leader should always understand what is the need of the employee and should motivate them to satisfy the need. The seventh quality of a good leader is self-confidence. A leader should have a high level of confidence. He should not lose confidence even in the most difficult times. So in the most difficult times also, the leader should not lose the confidence. Then eighth quality of a good leader is decisiveness. A leader must be decisive in the sense that once he has taken a decision, he should be firm on it. So the leader decision should be firm. Once he has taken the decision, he should fix and be firm on it. And the last quality of a good leader is a social skill. A leader should be sociable and friendly with the colleagues. So he should be sociable and he should also be friendly with his colleagues and followers so that he can understand them and their needs. So he can easily understand them, his followers and their needs. To only this much. Thank you.